Welcome to the Pirls Stock Market Commentary video, your weekly window on stock market technical conditions, featuring the proprietary bull-bear point and figure market breadth summary chart for July 28, 2019. Market breadth. With this past week's market advance, our bull-bear point and figure ratio at 1.03 rose from 0.96 last week. The total count of securities in bullish or bearish patterns increased 3% to 3,123. The count of bearish stocks decreased 1%, while the count of stocks in bullish patterns increased 7%. The Pirls PNF Market Breadth Summary Chart shows us a market now 1 week in bullish territory. Paid subscribers have access to the Open Office Calc data from which the chart is generated. You may become a paid subscriber by emailing S2P Market Signal at protonmail.com for payment and access instructions, or by visiting Patreon. To receive the weekly Pirls Stock Market Commentary via email, free of charge, simply enter your email address in the space provided and click Follow. The well-known market breadth indicator, the Nasdaq McClellan Summation Index, fell 12 points for the second decline in 7 weeks. At a positive 76.62 points, it has formed a new top and continues below all 8 bottoms above plus 100 and above the 5 bottoms below minus 100 in the last 30 months. Volume analysis. In this week's volume analysis, the Nasdaq Composite Index ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode, with average daily volume higher than the prior week. In the last 2 weeks, the Nasdaq had 2 accumulation days and 2 distribution days. Accumulation days are counted when the index closes up on higher volume than the prior market day, while distribution days occur when the index closes down on volume higher than the prior market day. Last week, the Nasdaq ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode, on lower average daily volume. Momentum. The CCI 20 daily in a Woody's uptrend at 154.63 is up from 52.26 last week. It continues above the plus or minus 50 range required for a valid zero-line reject Woody's long entry signal. In Woody's CCI trading system, 6 consecutive bars above or below zero are required for a change of trend. The weekly CCI 20 of the Nasdaq Composite Index began a Woody's uptrend 19 weeks ago, while the daily CCI 20 began a Woody's uptrend 5 weeks ago. The CCI 20 weekly in a Woody's uptrend at a positive 135.51 rose from a positive 111.34 last week. We await the return of the CCI 20 weekly to the plus or minus 50 range for a valid zero-line reject entry signal. Industry rotation the last 2 weeks. All of the top 5 industries are positive, and all of the bottom 5 are negative. Summary: gold and silver, some tech, and banking on the top. Oil services, oil, and S&P retail on the bottom. Bullish, semis, and networkers continue in the top 5. KBW Bank has entered the top 5. Oil services continues in the bottom 5. Oil has entered the bottom 5. REITs has left the bottom 5. Bearish, gold and silver continues to lead the top 5. S&P retail has entered the bottom 5. Disk drives and computer hardware have left the top 5. Focus this week from X22 Report Spotlight YouTube channel, quote, "Arrests must be made before the election. They have to," end quote, by David Steele. For the financial highlights, including expectations for revelations within the next 2 weeks, begin at about 20 minutes, 41 seconds. Thank you for watching this week's Santu Pirls Stock Market Commentary video featuring the proprietary bull bear point and figure market breadth summary chart compiled by Donald Pirl. S2P market signal at protonmail.com. For Santu Pirls Stock Market Commentary, I'm Cynthia Pirl, hoping that you have been enjoying a peaceful and pleasant weekend, that you are looking forward to a prosperous and productive week coming up, and wishing you true success.